It always happens to me at the worst possible time, right before bed or in the middle of Sunday dinner, when that thought pops into my head. Did I ever send that email? And suddenly, all things I was supposed to get done today come rushing back. Calls I missed, documents I forgot to send, little tasks I didn't check off. That anxiety is exactly what tools like ChatGPT are now trying to solve. ChatGPT now allows tasks to be created and managed right inside the chat. So typing something like "remind me to book flights tomorrow" creates a task automatically. It's no longer just a chatbot, it's now trying to be an assistant. But here's something, ChatGPT tasks are great when work starts with a thought, but most professional work doesn't start in a chat. It starts in systems, teams, timelines, and dependencies. That's why many professionals may use ChatGPT Tasks for quick personal reminders and rely on platforms like ClickUp, the world's first converged AI workspace, when they need work to be structured, visible, and actually finished. So in this video, I'll show you how to exactly use ChatGPT Tasks and how ClickUp goes further than reminders, helping teams manage real work end to end. So how do AI-powered tasks actually work inside ChatGPT? Well, let me show you. I clicked my profile icon, opened the Tasks tab, and typed "set a reminder for Mom's birthday on March 13th at 9 a.m. And just like that, ChatGPT created the task instantly. I could see the title, the due date, and even an option to repeat it. I tapped on it a couple times, changed the timing, tweaked the message, and yes, I could delete it if I needed to. When the time came, I got a push notification right on my phone and an email just to make sure I didn't forget. For simple one-off reminders like this, it actually works really well. Honestly, it's like having a digital sticky note that responds to you. But here's the thing, a birthday reminder is never just one task. Not for me. Not for anyone. I also had to cross-check dates with my work schedule, purchase gifts, book accommodations, and that's the moment I realized I don't just need another reminder. I need more structure. The truth is, reminders are only part of staying organized. Real productivity needs collaboration, attachments, deadlines, and context. But inside ChatGPT, it's just a floating list. There's no way to see the bigger picture or what's connected to what. That's why if ChatGPT is your sticky note, ClickUp is your entire command center. So let's take that same birthday reminder, but this time I'll be planning my trip to visit her using ClickUp. Instead of just setting another reminder, I create a ClickUp task called "Plan a Trip for Mom's Birthday." Right away, it became the home for everything related to the trip. Not just a note or a prompt, but actual things I need to do. From there, I let ClickUp Brain, ClickUp's built-in AI assistant, help me break the task down into subtasks. Booking flights, cross-checking dates with my colleagues so work stays sorted, buying a gift. ClickUp Brain handled the structure so I didn't have to rebuild the plan from scratch every time. Once things started feeling a little messy, I stepped back and laid it all out using ClickUp mind maps. Seeing how everything connected, what depended on what, and spotting potential bottlenecks before they happened was a game changer. At this point, I wasn't just remembering that the birthday trip needed to be planned. I could actually see the work moving forward. That's the difference. While ChatGPT tasks help you capture intent, ClickUp helps you run it, all in one converged AI workspace, helping you manage work that actually needs to get done. So what are you waiting for? Try it for free today at ClickUp.com.